Hello everyone, I am Michelle Trewicki.
I'm Justin Seeley.
Callie Lauer.
I'm Markea Goike.
I am Alan Mamro.
Hi, I'm Brian Belfany, principal at Landon Elementary School.
Principal of Marcy.
Fitness education.
5th grade humanities teacher.
6th grade math and science teacher.
I'm one of the applied engineering and technology teachers here at Hamilton High School. We've got 3 of the 3D printers that were purchased with a HEF grant. We're talking 300-400 students at least just this year alone that are going to be impacted by this technology that we have. They're able to do things that previously, before this, were not possible. It's not just 3D printing random widgets. We can actually put these 3D prints to use in a woodworking environment, in a manufacturing environment, in a shop safety environment.
I want to give a huge shout out to HEF and thank them for approving the grant request for the interactive mobile screen. Students also are able to use that as they work in groups and collaborate on projects. A lot of the students are able to interact and use the device, highlighting words, creating projects at the same time.
I applied for a grant to start the STEM Club here at SSI. We got a new curriculum with different materials to use for the students. We also got circuits and wires so that we can have electricity built into what we're creating. Every single time we meet, we talk about a different STEM career that actually does what we are doing. So we talk about aeronautical engineers, mechanical engineers, and different computer science fields that the students can get into. So this is a wonderful opportunity for those students who are very STEM-minded and have a passion for STEM and are actually looking towards getting into the STEM fields as they get older.
HEF has made a huge difference for our Phi-Ed department. The impact they've made is on our whole student body from freshmen all the way up to seniors. Our students are provided with the opportunity to experience things that are going to help keep them healthy as adults. They're learning to lift weights, they're learning some different type of cardiovascular exercises, they're doing them together, they're working with each other, they're building relationships. It's just been awesome all the way around.
I loved the innovative steps they're taking to bring new and creative ideas to find out how they can help our teachers, including this year's 360 grants, which we had a teacher who was very, very thrilled to be a part of.
In my 15 years here, you have done an amazing job supporting all of our schools, all of our children.
Thanks to HEF, we are doing way more than we were able to last semester. We're going to be doing even more next year.
There is zero chance we do some fundraising for our department and buy replacement equipment and things like that, but to get the money that they gave us made all of this possible. It's not here if not for HEF.
Thank you so much, HEF. We couldn't do this without you.
Thank you, HEF, for continuing to find ways to support us with money.
Thank you, Hamilton Foundation. You are amazing people. Thank to all of you who've attended, who've given generously to support this great cause. Our kids need you. Thank you.